Please. Hmm.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Please attention, ladies and gentlemen. Today, in this occasion, I will bring up a presentation. Okay, our session is going say academic writing. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have already learned about academic writing course in fourth semester. Next, please. Let's do our material. There is a three line we will discussion today. Firstly, what is academic writing? And second, type of essay. And lastly, model of essay. And we already help you guys, ladies and gentlemen, can please help me to iterate what is academic writing. Please express yourself. What is definition or what you know about academic writing? Okay, please.
It's a writing that it's a writing about academic. We're talking about academic in our writing.
Okay, that's okay. Thank you, Rojita. Please take close. On this slide, in the monitor, we can see what is definition or interaction in academic writing. What is academic writing? Academic writing is a type of formal writing used in the academic work to convey ideas, research, result, or thought scientific community. This report is usually written to be published in a scientific journal, presented at a conference, or assigned a lecture. So, in meaning of academic writing is like we can see write some text or journal publish that or like segment from a lecture. Next, please. In the section, next section, this is we say type of essay. We have already learned about type of essay in academic writing. There's 7 type of academic writing. Firstly, there is an opinion, descriptive text, argumentative, comparison and contrast, procedure text, cause and effect, and discussion. So there's any 7 type of essay. You can see on the left of me that meaning of the type of essay. Firstly, in opinion, there's a written persuasively using argument and evidence. So when you write an opinion, you need to using argument is strong, and of course you need search and evidence. Usually the opinion can be found in a newspaper, magazines, blogs, and websites. And the second, descriptive text. Descriptive text an object, place, or even clearly and identified. So in this descriptive text, you can imagine and imagine what is described in the text. And the third is argumentative. Convince reader to agree with the arguments presented by the author. In this third type of essay, argumentative, we can see or find in the scientific journal publication, like presented before, like Gita, Zarifa, and Lutfi. There's using scientific journal or article to using the argumentative. And fourth, comparison and contrast. We already about comparison and contrast about an essay that compare and contrast two or more an object or topic. This essay comparison and contrast we can see or find in a concept or theory. Comparison and contrast, for example, for we can say we can compare two school to university like University Muhammadiyah Metro and Yaya Metro. That's comparison and contrast. We can compare with they're building their teacher or their students. And next is procedure text, structure and logical steps. And procedure text is I think that is easy text or essay to write in our segment. We can find a procedure text in experiment, research process, or analytical method. And procedure text, we can say that step by step to convey the text in the reader that have know what the next step. And 6, cause and effect. And the 4 and 6, original contrast and cause and effect is this type. Same, but there is some differences. Because discuss the cause and effect relationship between two or more event or phenomenon. So in the cause and effect, there is explain us to event or phenomenon happen. And 7 is discussion. Discussion a topic by exploring various point of view and argumentation. So in the discussion, this type same like opinion and argumentative, but there's a little bit differences in discussion. There's a various point of view and argumentative. It's not also evidence. In the 7 discussion or 7 type of the essay, type of discussion we can sort of find in research and argument. So in the type of discussion, type of this essay, we can make it a group or class or community. Next slide, please. It is lastly slide in our material and our topic today. Model of essay, firstly at the FVFRT. Forward, back, forward, revising, and publishing. We also have learned already about the model of FVFRT. There's a hook, statement, topic, thesis statement, sentence statement, supporting sentence, and closing sentence, and then concluding paragraph. And the next model is about point by point model. So in point by point model, you can see between point by point model with block model, it is different, but we in the material or the idea in the topic or the design, it is same, but there is a different step or structure. This like we can see under the projector or medical. My slide is about point by point model. About if this is just example, we can learn about point by point model. Online learning versus offline learning. First is a topic sentence. There's 3 sentences, and then we went to the topic about online learning. As the right sentence is about online learning, and next we continue about offline learning. So that's mean about point by point model and block model. We can see on the left slide about this example about the balancing online and offline learning. There's no difference, but there is more point. In the block model, we can see that firstly, first paragraph, there is a topic about topic sentence, and next paragraph, the second paragraph, and the right sentence of right paragraph, there is about online learning. So about in the block model, you can learn or write essay with all of the online learning parts, and the third paragraph is about offline learning effect. So in the third paragraph is about offline learning. That's like second paragraph does tell us about all of offline learning talk about. And lastly, in the block model and point by point model, there is a conclusion or an idea of all of the types or design of types. So that's about my presentation of material. And before we closing our section, any have question or feedback for my material and our topic today? Nothing. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your nice attention. And sorry as I will be second for convey my material. And last I say, good morning.
Morning.